I'm Michelle from Michelle's Party Planet, and you're watching Hometalk.
Okay, for this project we're going to start with some mini wooden beads. What I've done so far is I've threaded a bunch of them on some thread with a needle, and we're just going to make sure that this is long enough to go around the circumference of this bowl. Looks about right. And we're going to get the E6000 and just put a trail of that along the rim of the bowl. Doing one section at a time, we're going to attach the beads to the bowl. Okay, so once you have the beads glued onto the bowl, what we're going to do is work on the other part. We're going to need 2 saucers and a mini pot. Put the first saucer upside down, and we're going to add glue to the rim of this pot. Just like that, right on top of the saucer. Let that dry, and then we're going to move on to this pot again. We're going to glue this saucer to the bottom of this pot. And for the last part, what we're going to do is we're going to glue the bottom of this pot to the bottom of that saucer. Make sure we center that. Okay, next we're going to go ahead and start painting it. While the rest of it's drying, for the last little bit, I'm going to paint the inside. And I'm just using a white chalk paint. Next I'm adding another string of beads to the bottom base, and I'm just going to add some glue and put the beads along the rim. Once you've applied a few coats of paint, you can add some trim like this lace right here. I'm going to go ahead and add this all the way around, and I'm just going to attach it with some hot glue. Just a little bit of lace at the base and at the top there. Okay, you can use this as a fruit bowl, but I'm actually going to use it to display some artificial flowers. I'm just going to stick these stems into the center hole here and arrange them. And that way I could just change it anytime I want. And that's it. I hope you like this project. Stay tuned next time for my next video. Thanks for watching.